What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? It's your boy back at it with another unboxing video. But today I got one of the heaviest packages I have ever received. This box is legitimately huge and it's full of goodies. This time there is a variety pack in here, so I'm pretty excited to open it up and get into this. But look, this was legally shipped directly to my doorstep. But let me tell you something. I can smell the pack straight through the box, baby. Now, this is only going to be a thing from here till November. So come November, this will no longer exist. You will no longer be able to legally have this shipped straight to your doorstep. Right now, the entire USA can have this delivered straight to their doorstep. So big shout out Hella Slumped, the real Hella Slumped. I've said this before and I'm going to say this every single time I get on camera. There is a fake Hella Slumped out there that is scamming people. The fake Hella Slumped is spelled Hella-Slumped. So if you don't want to get scammed or you don't want to run into the fake Hella Slumped, the most effective way to ensure you're at the right Hella Slumped is to go follow my X account. I'm having a link right here down below on the screen. Go type in my X account and that's, the rest is pretty self-explanatory from there. But again, the fake Hella Slumped is Hella-Slumped. The real one is just Hella Slumped. Anyways, without further ado, let's bust into this package. Honestly, the first time I ever even realized that this was a thing, that you could have these type of things delivered to your doorstep, I truly couldn't understand it. I couldn't wrap my head around it because to, my experience in this space for being in it for so long, it's like people are always doing this in manners that they're risking their freedom. They're doing it in manners that they're hoping not to get caught, that they're hoping the box doesn't get confiscated, or people are out there sending the plug some money hoping like, hey, I hope this gets through and this guy doesn't scam me. Well, those days are over for now, at least, because come November, we're back probably to the same bullshit, which is the craziest part to me. It's crazy to me that the government is going to take a step backwards and be like, hold on, you guys are paying taxes, you guys are doing this legitly, let's take a step backwards and go convert back to what people were doing before, which is like sending people to jail and just all kinds of bad shit, whatever. Long story short, it's still a beautiful thing right now. Very blessed to live this moment. I'm blessed that I've got to experience so much of this, and we're gonna open this thing up. Now I got this thing overnighted. You already know how to get that pack ASAP. What's this thing open? One thing about these packages, they're not the easiest packages to open, all right? There's like a certain tape that they come with. But I'll tell you what, man, you would have told this to me when I was like 15, 16, that this was gonna be a thing at one point, I would never have believed you. I've literally got to experience so many different changes in this space. It's pretty amazing. Ugh. Ah! It's more work to open this thing than anything else, y'all. Oh, there it goes. One side's open, one flap's open. I'm gonna just fast forward this for y'all. Gotta make sure there's no address leaks on there. Right. And behold, y'all, the moment we have all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. The pack has arrived. Oh, shit. Y'all seen how that just came out of there? Damn. Just bow, 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 bow. And we got syrups. God, bro. This thing is a package, and I can't believe it was legally shipped to my doorstep. So let's stand this thing up right. First and foremost, you get this notice to basically law enforcement, to UPS, anybody who opens the package. She's basically saying, hey, mister, this is completely legal, don't mess with this package. We are following the law that was written by the government and so forth, right? So big shout out to the 2018 Farm Bill making this possible. But look at that. Oh, we got some live hash rosin gummies here. Now these gummies are absolutely insane. We got mango chamoy, which like everybody I know that has tasted these, including myself, has absolutely loved these. Like people literally go crazy about these. They say that they're the best tasting gummies they've ever had in their life. And the problem with this is like they're very, very, very hard to keep on the site, because they just disappear. Like these are hard ones to keep up with. People are literally eating them up. We got more sets of gummies here. Now these are actually only 2 per pack in here, but typically I believe they're like packs of 10. So you also got some yerba fuel. So big shout out to the Yerba Fuel. This is probably like my favorite item on the site is the Yerba Fuel. Smells absolutely gas, hits the absolute spot. Everybody who's puffed on this one absolutely loves it. We got a lot more Yerba Fuel. There should be, if I'm correct in here, an entire QP of Yerba Fuel. Boom, more Yerba Fuel. Now this package, because it has so much in here, it was actually came in these packages, like these vacuum seal packs. Honestly, most of the time that I've received packages, they don't come in vacuum seal packs like that. Bam, and the rest of the Yerba Fuel. So this is an entire QP that was legally sent straight to my doorstep, y'all. Straight to my doorstep. Absolutely insane. Now, one of the sicker things, one of the cool things we got here as well, we got some syrups. These are different flavor syrups. This is the watermelon syrup right here. You feel me? I gotta cover it a little bit because they be tripping. But this is 1,000 milligrams. 1,000 milligrams. I gotta do a little. 1,000 milligrams, y'all. 1,000 milligrams of watermelon flavor. Now, 1,000 milligrams is absolutely insane. Like, there is no need for 1,000 milligrams. 1,000 milligrams is absolutely crazy. That was a watermelon flavor. What else do we have? What other flavors we got? We got chamoy. We got agua fresca. Now this chamoy one is absolutely nuts to throw on fruit, bro. Like if y'all ever had like fruit, the Mexican style with like tajin and chamoy, this chamoy one is crazy to throw on fruit. I don't know, maybe we should do a challenge. Like if this video gets to 1,000 likes, I'm gonna challenge a stranger to drink an entire one of these bottles, and I'm gonna spend like a couple hours with them just to see their reaction and how they feel about it, the effects, have them basically give an in-depth feeling of what they're going through. So hit the like button on this video if you guys want to see me challenge a stranger to drink an entire bottle. Maybe we'll do like some sort of like prize or reward or something for them. Like we'll figure out something so that they're happy with it, and obviously they're gonna get to go on a crazy experience. So we got more watermelon syrups. More watermelon syrups. We got a ton of syrups here. We got more chamoy, more agua fresca syrup, more watermelon, and oh, this one's tropical fruit. This is actually a different flavor here. Oh, these are both different flavors. What am I talking about? So we got tropical punch, all right, which is like a tropical fruit flavor, and we have an horchata flavor. Horchata is like an OG, like Mexican drink. So big shout out to anybody that knows about the horchata, my boy. Horchata infused syrup is absolutely insane. Wow. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 so far right here. Oh my god, I'm loaded up with syrups, y'all. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 syrups, 19, 20. So as you can tell, I have probably received one of the most epic packages ever. Oh shit. Now I actually want to show y'all how these chamoy gummies look. I'm gonna open up one of the packages for the chamoy gummies. The thing about them is, since they're rosin, their flavor profile is like on point. I remember, like, here's a quick story, but like growing up, when I first ever experienced like an Eddie for the first time in my life, it tasted like absolute trash. Like that flavor, and then like the experience following the flavor, right? Like after I tasted it and just going through that trip that I had, like probably one of the worst in my life, I was traumatized by that flavor. Like I was like, I will never ever in my life again eat one, because last time I ate an Eddie, I basically felt like it complete shit. I tripped out, and the flavor just ruined it for me. Now this was like 10 years ago. Since then, a lot has changed. A lot has progressed. The Eddies have gotten good. They're tasty now. They don't taste like you're biting a piece of flour anymore. You know what I'm saying? They have gotten actually very, very tasty. Package very secure out here, you feel me? Bam. These are only a 2-pack. These are perfect samples. Like, I'm gonna go around and have people taste them. Bless a bunch of strangers. Be like, what do you think about this? Ooh. So we used to do straight chamoy. So these are mango chamoy. I don't understand the chamoy aspect of it anymore, honestly, because I believe this is just more or less like mango flavor here. The thing when we used to do the chamoy ones is that because of the texture of chamoy, very liquidy and stuff, when you ship something out and it goes through like heat and temperature changes and whatnot, it would kind of like melt together. So this new setup here, which is straight mango, it's really not chamoy. I don't know why it says mango chamoy. I mean, I guess you could take some chamoy syrup and pour it on here, but this just makes the product so much better. It takes away like the issues of it melting and so forth, you know? I feel like we should bless somebody. I'm about the park here and people are actually just outside fishing. I feel like I'd be like, excuse me, sir, would you like one of these free packs of edibles? Please take it, take it. But all jokes aside, actually, that is what I'm planning on doing with all this product. Clearly, this is way too much product. There's no way. It's way too much for me. I'm actually going to go out and I'm going to bless a bunch of strangers. So I want you guys to comment down below in the comment section. Where should I go? What city, what state should I visit? I am more than willing to travel. I want as many people as possible to be able to taste this and just give me their feedback on everything. And yeah, honestly, like, I feel like with the months counting down to November, the least I can do is get this in as many people's hands as possible before the time stops ticking, you feel me? And yeah, it's just kind of sad now, guys. It's sad. Like, I feel sad. Like, I really do. Like, I really built this from the ground up. This is my baby, and it's gonna disappear. It's kind of like a very hard thing to explain, but it's a hard feeling to explain, more or less. But it just is what it is. And I've been talking about this shit for so long that this was gonna happen, and sadly it happened. You know, I was really optimistic about it. I felt like for the longest time that maybe the laws would play in our favor and that it would just keep getting more extensions, but it doesn't seem like it. It seems like this is gonna disappear. It might be a possibility that the only thing left when this is said and done is possibly some sort of edibles, but I think everything else is gonna be gone. We already don't have any more vapes. The vapes are completely gone. The vapes were also like super fire. People love their vapes, but they're completely gone, and this is just kind of what's left at this point. But at the end of the day, I appreciate every single person who has supported. You feel me? You guys have changed my life. You changed my family's life. Like, you showed me that anything and everything is possible. And this brand, Hella Slumped, really made my 8 years of making content like worth it. I'm not saying the other years weren't worth it before Hella Slumped, but Hella Slumped just showed me why people do YouTube and how YouTube changes people's lives. I lived it through this year. So with that being said, I'm gonna just be completely transparent with y'all. When this disappears, Hella Slumped, Mr. THC might be on his way out with Hella Slumped too, because I'm not sure if there's anything left for me in this space, y'all. But with that being said, I'm gonna give y'all the best next couple months. I'm gonna grind my ass off. We're gonna make some OG style videos. We're gonna go out, we're gonna bless people and just have a really good time with it, man. So with that being said, smash the like button on this video. Again, shout out Hella Slumped. Legally shipped straight to my doorstep. Don't get finessed by the fake Hella Slumped. Go search my X account. I'm gonna have it down here on the screen. It's pretty simple. The real Hella Slumped is just Hella Slumped. The fake one is Hella-Slumped. I'm emphasizing this because when I've searched it up before, sometimes the fake one comes up right under the real one. So I just don't want y'all to click on the wrong one. So you know what I'm saying? Be careful out there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Smash the like button. Hella Slumped for the people, my guys. Come on. Where should we go to next? Let me know down below. I'm out. See ya.